Active Math, 5th class, Factors and Multiples. Practice question 6.1. Find the LCM of the following sets of numbers by listing the common multiples. A. The LCM of 8 and 12 is 24. Solve multiples of 8, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. Multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120. Common multiples are 24, 48, 72. LCM of 8 and 12 is 24. Why? Because LCM means least common multiple. The least common multiple is 24. Means small common multiple. B. The LCM of 3, 9 and 18 is 18. Multiples of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Multiples of 9 is equal to 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. Multiples of 18, 18, 36, 54, 72, 90, 108, 126, 144, 162, 180. Common multiples are 18, 36, 72. LCM least common multiple is 18. The LCM of 15 and 25 is 75. Multiples of 15, 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, 120, 135, 150. Multiples of 25, 25, 50, 75, 120. Common multiples are 75, 120. The LCM of 15 and 25 is 75. D. The LCM of 24, 36, 72 is 72. Multiples of 24 is equal to 24, 48, 72, 96. Multiples of 36 is equal to 36, 72, 108, 144. Multiples of 72 is equal to 72, 144, 216, 288. Common multiples are 72, 144. LCM of 24, 36, 72 is 72. 6.1 E. The LCM of 120 and 240 is 240. The multiples of 120 is equal to 120, 240, 360, 480. Multiples of 240 is equal to 240, 480, 720, 960. Common multiples are 240, 480. The LCM of 120 and 240 is 240. F. The LCM of 75, 125 and 225 is 450. Multiples of 75 is equal to 75, 150, 225, 300, 375, 450. Multiples of 150 is equal to 150, 300, 450, 600. Multiples of 225 is equal to 225, 450, 675, 900. Common multiples are 450. The LCM of 75, 150 and 225 is 450. 6.2 Find the LCM of the following sets of numbers by the prime factorization method. A. The LCM of 36 and 60 is 180. 36 for 36 divide it by 2. Then the factors are 2, 2, 3, 3. And the factors of 60 are 2, 2, 3, 5. The non-common factors are 3, 5. Common factors are 2, 2, 3. Therefore, LCM is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 is 180. B. The LCM of 15, 30 and 45 is 90. Factors of 15 are 3, 5. Factors of 30, 3, 5, 2. Factors of 45, 3, 5, 3. Common factors are 3, 5. Non-common factors are 2, 3. LCM is 3 into 5 into 2 into 3, 90. See, the LCM of 24 and 36 is 72. Factors of 24 is equal to 2, 2, 2, 3. Factors of 36, 3, 3, 2, 2. Common factors are 2, 3, 2. Non-common factors are 2 and 3. LCM is 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. Is 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 3 is equal to 72. D. The LCM of 20, 24 and 28 is 840. Factors of 20, 2, 2, 5. Factors of 24, 2, 2, 2, 3. Factors of 28, 2, 2, 7. Common factors are 2, 2. Non-common factors are 5, 2, 3, 7. LCM is 2 into 2 into 5 into 2 into 3 into 7, 840. E. The LCM of 75 and 125 is 375. Factors of 75 is equal to 553. Factors of 125 is equal to 555. Common factors are 5 and 5. Non-common factors are 3 and 5. LCM is equal to 5 into 5 into 3 into 5 is equal to 375. F. The LCM of 5, 25, 60 and 120 is 600. Factors of 25 is equal to 5, 5. Factors of 60 is equal to 5, 3, 2, 2. Factors of 120 is equal to 5, 3, 2, 2, 2. Common factors are 5, 3, 2, 2. Non-common factors are 5 and 2. LCM 5 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 2, 600. 6.3 Find the LCM of the following sets of numbers by using the common division method. A. The LCM of 15 and 20 is 60. LCM of common division method for 15 and 20 divided by 5. 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. The factors are 5, 3, 4. 5 into 3 into 4 is equal to 60. Easy method. This is a easy method of finding the LCM. The LCM is 60. B. The LCM of 30, 45 and 50 is 450. 30, 40 and 50's factors are 5, 3, 2, 3, 5. The product of factors 5 into 3 into 2 into 3 into 5, 450. Therefore, the LCM of 30, 45 and 50 is 450. See, the LCM of 12, 38 is 228. The product of factors are 2 into 3 into 2 into 19 is equal to 228. The LCM of 12 and 38 is 228. D. The LCM of 40, 48 and 60 is 240. For 40, 48 and 60, when we divide, the factors are come from 2, we divide. 2 2s are 4, 2 0s are 0, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 0s are 0. For 20, 24 and 30, divide by 2. 2 10s are 20, 2 12s are 24, 2 15s are 30. And divided by 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12, 2 15, not 2 15s are 15 is 15 as it is. And then divided by 5, 5 ones are 5. 6 as it is, we write 5 3s are 15. Divided by 3, 1 as it is, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. Divided by 2, 1 as it is, 2 1s are 2, 1 as it is. Then the factors are 2 2 2, 5 3 2. The product of factors are 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 3 into 2 is equal to 240. Therefore, the LCM of 40, 48 and 60 is 240. E. The LCM of 125 and 250 is 250. For 125 and 250 divided by 5, 525 is 125, 550 is 250. And divided by 5, 5 5s are 25, 5 10s are 50. And divided by 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. And divided by 2, 1 as it is, 2 1s are 2. The product of factors are 5, 5, 5, 2. Product of factors are 5 into 5 into 5 into 2 is equal to 250. Therefore, the LCM of 125 and 250 is 250. F. The LCM of 36, 45 and 48 is 720. 36, 45, 48 we write, and it is divided by 3. 3 12s are 36, 3 15s are 45, 3 16s are 48. And divided by 3, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 16 as it is we write. And divided by 2, 2 2s are 4, 5 as it is, 2 8s are 16. And divided by 2, 2 1s are 2, 5 as it is, 2 4s are 8, divided by 2, 1 as it is, 5 as it is, 2 2s are 4, 5, 1 as it is, 5 1s are 5, 2 as it is, and divided by 2, 1 as it is, 1 as it is, 2 1s are 2. The factors are 3 3, 2 2, 2 5, 2. The product of factors are 3 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 2 is equal to 720. Therefore, the LCM of 36, 45 and 48 is 720.